Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that.
Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad Kongkol Sangma ulai thu bak sarkar kala Shimrai men ai Khusnam no Manla Snem yaki Nongthohkot hak ketien khasi bat garu yak ba antep kum ka State Literary Award bat kinu gi bayo yak Khusnam tinyo yak song pisa ka ba silak tengka ulai thu bakindan ki komiti ki ban bishar banya janu ki ibet ban ai yak Khusnam.
The cabinet has also decided to come out with the State Literary Awards to authors. And this is being done as per our decision to ensure that we promote our own languages, especially our own indigenous language, which is Khasi and Garo language. And apart from the resolution that we had passed in order to push the government of India to include Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, and apart from other supports that we're giving to ensure that we promote the languages, this is one more step towards promoting our language, which is to now come out with an annual State Literary Awards for authors for local language, one award in Khasi and one award in Garo. And we're starting with a cash award of 1 lakh each. And every year there will be a committee which will be headed by the director, which will screen different nominations that may come in. People can self-nominate also, as well as others can also nominate them. And after screening, the committee will then propose the list to the government. So this, as I said, is another step towards ensuring that we give the necessary push and importance to our own language and promote our languages, and hence the State Literary Awards has been constituted.